Welcome to the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review 2020. In this review YouTube we will discuss every feature of the YouTube Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Reviews 2020 program and see the advantages and disadvantages of each feature. Looking for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Reviews 2020 YouTube before making a decision? In this video, we are going to provide you with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review 2020 YouTube, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one of the best weight loss supplements available on the market because it contains all the ingredients that help with rapid fat burning. It's a formula especially created for those people who are struggling to shred their extra pounds. What's also good to know about it is that it doesn't require its consumers to diet or exercise while taking it, yet some changes in diet and lifestyle are always welcome. However, using this blend doesn't involve going on starving diets because this dietary supplement can deliver weight loss results in no time, seeing it contains powerful fat loss ingredients used in traditional Japanese medicine. These ingredients also improve blood circulation and lower bad cholesterol levels. It's a fact that almost all Japanese people are fit and usually live long. Since Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic recipe is Japanese, it doesn't only help with shedding extra pounds, but also with achieving a healthier life. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic features. Here are the most important features of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the ones that are convincing enough to make people buy this supplement. 100% natural and made from herbal extracts that do wonders when it comes to weight loss. Absolutely no side effects. Help thousands get rid of their unwanted weight. Convenient and healthy recipe. How was Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic created? Mike Banner is the creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. He had just started his career as a firefighter, when he became interested more in how dangerous extra fat is. This particularly happened after an incident with Susan, his sister, and her son, took place. Mike witnessed how Susan's entire life was being ruined by her extra weight, and even saw how she couldn't save his nephew from drowning, just before he did it. This moment determined him to be more and more interested in effective and safe fat-burning techniques, so he decided to learn more about these things from Okinawa, the ancient Japanese city. Mike met here Dr. Tamaki, who presented him his extraordinary weight loss formula. Dr. Tamaki is an obesity and digestion specialist, so he had the perfect solution for slimming down. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? Weight gain happens when more calories than the ones being burned get to be consumed. This is what leads to high fat levels being accumulated in the body, and eventually to obesity. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic goes for the blood protein that's blocking the metabolism and leads to the digestive tract being inflamed. This protein is called C-reactive and also known as CRP. It's present in the blood and can block the production of adiponectin, which is the fat-burning hormone. CRP also damages the mitochondria and thus, causes the body to no longer be able to break down nutrients properly. People who consume Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic activate their adiponectin and have the foods they're consuming converted into energy, so not getting stored as fat. Besides, this supplement also features anthocyanins, the compounds that are usually present in green tea, red cabbage, spinach, and cucumber. Anthocyanins destroy fat. Depending on the body of each consumer, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can take between 2 weeks and 2 months to show significant results. Click the link in the description below to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from Supplement its official website. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients. All the ingredients in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic come from Okinawa in Japan, where people are known to live the longest. Here they are explained. EGCG. This plant compound is present in white and green tea. It almost instantly burns the fat in the body, not to mention it induces thermogenesis. Piperine. Piperine is a black pepper extract and one of the most powerful antioxidants that improves digestion and prevents weight gain. Inulin. This ingredient is a fiber in the root of the chicory plant, one that goes for the visceral fat and reduces the appetite, all while supporting digestion. Hibiscus sabdarifa. This Okinawa red flower accelerates weight loss. Antioxidant fruits. These are not only known to support rapid fat burning, but also to accelerate digestion and to keep energy together with the immune system functioning perfectly. Aronia berry. Another powerful antioxidant for supporting energy and immunity. It also keeps blood sugar levels in normal ranges. Acai berry. Keeps the cholesterol levels at a normal, decreases the absorption of fat, and makes sure the brain works fine. Mulberry. Another ingredient that helps with the good cholesterol and normal blood sugar levels while accelerating the fat-burning process. Mamorticachara ntia. Reduces the fat in the abdominal area and keeps blood sugar levels healthy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic advantages. Here are the advantages of using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Zero side effects. Being herbal and created only with the most authentic ingredients, this supplement doesn't have any side effects. Amazing price deals. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can save people fortunes, as they would no longer have to pay for surgeries, gym, and yoga subscriptions. Fast and reliable. This dietary supplement works very rapidly and leads to consistent weight loss. Of course, the lifestyle of its consumers matters too, but it can perform real miracles even when no change in diet and physical activities has been made. 90-day money-back guarantee. Those who aren't happy with the way Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works for them can contact the product's customer service within the first 90 days of their purchase and they will be issued a refund, no questions asked. How much does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic cost? Here are the prices for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. $67 for one bottle, 30-day supply. $57 per bottle with the 3 bottles, 90-day supply, deal, $171 total. $47 for each bottle with the 6 bottles, 180-day supply, deal, $282 to pay. 3 and 6 bottle supplies come with free shipping, whereas all deals are covered by the 90-day money-back guarantee. There's no subscription involved, so customers will pay one time for the product or products that they will get in 3 to 5 business days. Any question or inquiry about the supplement can be addressed to customer service, ed. support@flatbellytonic.com. It should be allowed 24 hours for a response to arrive. Click the link in the description below to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from Supplement its official website.